Today is May 10th, and it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. The bird of the day is the Prothonotary warbler, which looks like this. It's a very yellow bird with kind of blue-gray wings. Behaves like a warbler. So you'll find it in trees and in understory brush. And my reason for choosing the Prothonotary warbler today is that Prothonotary warbler mothers are the ones who decide ultimately where nest sites will be. And they spend 3 to 8 days building the best possible nest for their chicks. And not only do they raise their own chicks, but they will often raise the chicks of brown-headed cowbirds who ditch their eggs in their nests. So they're great biological moms and also great foster moms. So cheers to the Prothonotary warbler. A little bit more about them. They breed in flooded bottomland forests, wooded swamps, and forests near lakes and streams. They eat spiders, butterflies, moths, beetles, flies, caterpillars, mayflies, midges, grasshoppers, ants, and leafhoppers. They also eat snails and mollusks. So that's the Prothonotary warbler. If you're in an area where you see a lot of warblers, look for it coming your way right about now.